Just wanted to send you some information on why you should join this mastermind. And forgive me, but I'm outside. Uh, and it's kind of noisy. Okay. Um, I like the mastermind. I like it a lot. The biggest thing I really like about it is being with Amanda Ray. Mainly because she, let me see here. Mainly because she, when I started in the internet marketing space, I didn't have a clue what I was doing. And so, therefore, I got ripped off constantly. A lot. And it was really kind of irritating. I went through a ton of money. Okay. Uh, it was spam city, big time. So I just wanted to let you guys know that when she started in it, it was quite a few years after me, and she was able to filter through, or by that time, a lot of people had been filtered through, a lot of the bad actors. So I mean, there's still a lot out there, but a lot of the bad actors were gone. And so, and unlike me, she had money, or at least credit available, to purchase mentoring. And I'm going to tell you right now, any job you start, somebody's got to train you and show you the ropes. And you got to do that here on this online. Sorry about walking around so dang much, but there's a lot of people out here. I don't know if you can hear them or not. It's getting to be pretty annoying. But anyway, so oh, there's some crazy folks around here. But anyway, as I was saying, any job you take, you're going to have to learn the ropes. And the same thing is with online. And it makes it worse online because you aren't seeing the person. They could be anywhere in the world. And you're sending them money and you don't know what you're getting back. So what is needing to happen is we need to... But we were talking about masterminds, or I was, and the reason why you should really get into mastermind once you get into the S3. Simply for the fact that you need to think of the S3, sorry, you need to think of the S3 as a business. Okay, you're going to learn how to make money online. You're going to, and you can scale it as you can scale any other business. Or at the very worst, think of it as a job. But any job or any business, especially a job, because pretty much that's what it is at the beginning. You're just working online when you first start out. Any business that you do, you got to learn the ropes. Okay? Any business that you do, you got to learn the ropes. All right? Someone's got to train you how to do the job. Okay? If you don't, you're in there stumbling around, you're cursing everybody out, you're mad, you're pissed off. I'm sure you've had a job where you've gone in and nobody showed you what to do except for this goes here and that goes there, and you've had to figure it out. And and you get pissed. Well, that's what the mastermind does for you. It trains you how to do this job, the job of making money online. Now, I've been online for a while, and I have failed miserably, and I've been online for a while, and I got all kinds of information from people I joined and listened to, and bought courses from. Let's say this is a 1,000-piece puzzle. Well, I probably got 750 of the 1,000 pieces. Okay, but that other 250 pieces puts it's like you got a document, a 1,000-page document, and you're missing, 55 pages. The 55 pages you really need to know. Or it's like you're listening to a commercial, or not commercial, but I mean, you're listening to a TV show and it keeps blinking in and out, and you always miss that one piece of information that you need that makes the whole show make sense, right? Well, that's kind of like what happens when you go online on your own and there's nobody to train you. Okay, I mean, masterminds are getting a mentor. You're looking at $5 to $25, $50,000. Okay, I think the most I could gather up at one time. Oh, I did. I paid $6,000 for wasn't a mentor. It was a training. Pissed all the hell. I was so pissed because I didn't get anything. I got well, in fact, pretty much everything in it I already knew. So I paid $6,000 for something I already knew. I was pissed. Matter of fact, it wasn't even about what they told me it was going to be about. I was not a happy camper. That was the last time I ever spent that much money at once. But anyway, I digress. The thing is to learn online, you got to have a mentor. And what Amanda is doing for roughly $200, well, see, for a total of $500, is being your mentor. And she's a tough one. She doesn't jack around, but she shows you what is necessary and how to go about making money online. And you start off making money so that you can utilize the money you earn to pay for what you need to do later. Most of these things that you get into, you got to come up with the money first and hope like hell you make something later. Okay, and if you're like most of us, you never recoup your cost. Okay, but back to the analogy, it's just like any job you go to. If you don't get trained, you don't do a good job, right? Or you get pissed off, you get angry, and you want to quit. And that's what happens online. It's so easy to quit online, okay? Because you don't have to face anybody. You know, at a job, it just reminds me of a job I went to where the guy got so frustrated, he didn't show up. And he didn't show up for work. And finally the boss called, and it's like, he had changed his voicemail. I mean, yeah, his answering machine to say, if this is Taco Bell, you know, I'm not coming into work today. But, you know, he was struggling. He couldn't quite, you know, it's just, he wasn't doing what he is, you know, thought he was going to be doing at work, and he wasn't getting trained very well. And the guy who was training him and the guy couldn't get along, and so the guy didn't want to train him, and blah 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 blah. But the frustration is there. You've all had it. Everybody's been through it. If you don't get any training, you get a nasty attitude, and it goes nowhere. You quit eventually. Or you do a really bad job, or you just continue with the nasty attitude. Well, when you're online and you don't have to face anybody to their face, it's easy to quit. And it's easy to point the finger in the other direction. Okay? And so, in the mastermind, you learn not only just how to make money online, but what it takes to make money online, and the mentality you got to have to make money online. And we're a group. It's not a one-on-one thing. We are a group. And all of us are learning. We're learning how to help each other out. We're learning how to be positive, how to see things, how to think in terms of 6 and 7 figure earners. And it's just training you need on your everyday job. Think of it as that way. Because most of you are coming from a job world. And you haven't learned how to be kind of like I say, a free spirit, a free mind. It's a totally different thinking levels above us. Income levels up. How they think is different. So it's just like a newbie coming into the job. If you don't train them, they can't do the job right. It might not get done right, or it just might happen, but it's by happenstance that you come across it. Okay, and I'm not saying you can't make money online on your own. Sometimes it's by happenstance, you just happen to come across the right way. So shorten your learning curve and let Amanda train it. She paid for these mentors, and she actually exceeded their expectations to the point where they're actually got a little, geez, you did it faster than me, a lot faster. So it really helps if it really shortens the learning curve massively. Just get in the mastermind as soon as you can and shorten that learning curve. I just thought maybe making the analogy of it being like a job will give you an idea of what the mastermind is like. You get the training, okay? And I better get going. This is way too long. Have a good day.